Unexpected air conditioning problems can make your property uncomfortable quickly. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides emergency AC repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, for residential and commercial cooling systems needing immediate attention. Our emergency AC service covers sudden breakdowns, poor airflow, thermostat malfunctions, refrigerant problems, frozen components, and electrical issues. We carefully inspect your equipment, identify the source of trouble, and make appropriate repairs to restore dependable cooling and comfort. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for an emergency AC repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is considered an AC emergency? An AC emergency includes complete cooling failure, burning smells, electrical problems, refrigerant leaks, unusual noises, or system malfunctions that affect safety, comfort, or indoor temperatures during extremely hot weather. When should I call for emergency AC repair? Call for emergency AC repair when your system stops cooling, leaks refrigerant, produces burning odors, makes unusual noises, trips breakers, or develops problems that could cause additional equipment damage. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our emergency AC repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania emergency AC repair service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.